Hi friends, you are with me again, Professor Girish Kukreja, to discuss the philosophy of Sant Kabir Das ji. Sant Kabir Das, through his dohas, we know, have been teaching us the various virtues of life, to live a happy life, to live a satisfied life. These timeless dohas are always going to be accompanying us and guiding us on this path of spirituality, salvation and humanity at large. Forgiveness, one of the virtues probably which we have been forgetting since so many years, since so many times we have been seeing that we are not ready to forgive. Even for small things, we have been teaching revenge. We have been teaching, I am using the word teaching. We ourselves have not been forgiving, and we have been teaching. We have been carrying the burden of all the past things with us, and we are having that what you call as feeling of taking a revenge on whatever things have happened with us. Have we really ever understood what exactly forgiveness is? How high this virtue has been given importance in this path of salvation and spirituality. Sant Kabir Das, in one of his dohas, explains this virtue of forgiveness with a very lucid and a simple example. Sant Kabir Das, he says, क्षमा बड़न को उचित है, छोटन को उत्पात. क्षमा बड़न को उचित है, छोटन को उत्पात. We all want to rise on this path of spirituality. We all want to raise our standards. We all want to what to call as walk ahead on this particular path of spirituality. Then on this behalf, Sant Kabir Das says that you need to what you call as acquire this essence of forgiveness in you. Sant Kabir Das says, क्षमा बड़न को उचित है, छोटन को उत्पात. Forgiveness is a virtue which actually and really suits the people who are big at their heart, who have a big heart. We always have been knowing to forgive people, you really need a big heart. He further says, छोटन को उत्पात. If we want to remain there, even if you are playing a small game, we all are trying to go from one level to another level to another level to another. So similarly, when you are moving forward on this path of spirituality, crossing from one level to another, when you want to grow yourself in this particular life, Sant Kabir Das says you have to imbibe this virtue of forgiveness. He says it is this virtue that decides that how far you have reached on this particular path. He says, क्षमा बड़न को उचित है, छोटन को उत्पात. It really suits the people who have attained great heights in their life. What suits these great people? It is the virtue of forgiveness. He further says, का विष्णु का घट गया, जो भृगुमारी लात. Wonderfully, Sant Kabir Das is really known for this, to give examples and insights from the short stories which we have been hearing since our childhood. From these mythological stories, we really get insights. We actually have confused ourselves with all these stories, but have we really taken the essence of these stories with us? Sant Kabir Das says, का विष्णु का घट गया, जो भृगुमारी लात. We know the story of the Saptarishi, the 7 sages. One of the most intelligent sages in these, the Bhrigu Rishi. You might be knowing this short story. To cut a story short, when they were to perform the yajna and they were to decide who is the greatest amongst of all, it was Lord Bhrigu. It was this Saint Bhrigu who was sent to take the test of these Trimurti, the Lord Shiva, the Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu. Again, to cut the story short, when this Bhrigu Rishi, he reached what you call as Vaikuntha, where he saw Lord Vishnu who was asleep on the Shesha. We all have been remembering Lord Vishnu in that form. Bhrigu Rishi, he was enraged. He got angry that he was not being noticed. He was standing there in front of Lord Vishnu, and because of his ego, he thought that he is being ignored by Lord Vishnu, when Lord Vishnu was soundly sleeping on his Sheshanag. In this ego, Bhrigu Rishi is known to kick Lord Vishnu on his chest. What will happen to you if someone even gives you a weird look? We just cannot tolerate even a single weird look. If someone says few bad words to you, what you will do? You will kill him probably. If someone beats you, then what you will do? Matlab, you will really not leave him. But Lord Vishnu, what he did, when he saw that Bhrigu Rishi has kicked him on his chest, he immediately woke up and he held the legs of Bhrigu Rishi and he started what you call as taking care of Bhrigu Rishi, and he was asking, and he himself was asking for forgiveness, that while kicking the chest of Lord Vishnu, did the feet of Bhrigu Rishi got hurt. He was pampering his feet with love and he was asking for pardon and for forgiveness. This is how the great people are known. And it was then that Bhrigu Rishi came with the answer that it is Lord Vishnu who was the greatest amongst of all. So what makes us great? This is an exemplarily we have been told. Lord has been doing Leela in his various ways and trying to explain and tell us how exactly we are supposed to live life on this earth. So in this example, Sant Kabir Das says that though Bhrigu Rishi, he hit Lord Vishnu on his chest, Lord Vishnu did not get angry, rather he forgave him immediately. And rather he himself was asking for forgiveness. Later, Bhrigu Rishi also realized that he himself had done something wrong and he was asking for pardon to Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu, he readily forgave the Bhrigu Rishi. So Bhrigu Rishi does not lose anything. The Lord Vishnu did not lose anything even when this Bhrigu Rishi, he hit him on the chest. Why we get angry so much on so small things? Why do not we imbibe this virtue of forgiveness within us? We have been carrying all the past things with us, the people who have not been good with us, who have been not talking good with us, who have not behaved good with us, in our terms obviously. And we are enraged. We always seek and find the ways and means to take revenge over them, and we have been destroying our life in that. Have we ever focused on our life? Have we ever focused on this particular aspect of forgiveness? Let us imbibe this forgiveness and raise high our standards of spirituality. Sant Kabir Das says, Shama badan ko uchit hai, chotan ko utpaat. It is the small-hearted people. It is these people who are nowhere on this path of spirituality, who create what you call as the feelings of revenge and anger and rage, who get angry and irritated very soon. Those who are a step ahead, a step forward on spirituality, they are raising their standard by imbibing this value of forgiveness. So let us forget the past things and forgive the people and raise our standards. Thank you.